So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have one Maruti Suzuki NTI-30D digital tire inflator. So now I am going to unbox this one. Let's unbox it. So here, now open the box, and here is the machine, and inside some this is the warranty card here, and here is one user manuals. If you want to read, you can. Now this is the machine. This is here. So let's see one cinematic shot. So now let's test this one, and I will show you how to use this one and which key does what, everything I will show. So let's go to car. So here first we have to open this one open, we have to, and here are the points to give different things like football, cycle, bike, different. So here first we have to connect this cable to our car. So we will connect here this one is inserted. Now we will turn on this one. Here this one. Now it is turned on, you can see. Here this one is turned on. So now we will give pump now. Here is the meter, and on and reset button, and this one is the on and off button, and this one is the down and up button. So take this one here. So open this one. Here this one. Here is the cable, and here is the. We have to insert this one. Now you can see this is inserted. Now the tire has 25.5 psi. Here this one. So now we will set how much we will give. We will give 29. So now we will start this one. Now it stopped at 29. So now it stopped at 29. Now we'll remove here this one, and we'll insert this one. Now we will move to the other wheel. Here this one. Now we will again insert here. Here insert. Now we will set here, it is 19.5. We will reset this one, and 29 here. 29. Now so now it stopped at 29. Now we will remove this one and insert the cap here and move to the other tire. Now here we can use this one to shake the pressure. To pull this one and here. We have to now, if we insert this one, you can see how much is this. 26. Now we have to give pump. So now we will insert this one here. Now we will see here this one. Now we will set 29. Here, now we will start. Now here again in the left wheel, same process. We will insert here this one and set and start it. Now we'll finish in the car. Now we'll give in my cycle. So now I have bought my cycle here. So here. Now here same, we'll insert here and give the pump. Only 15 you can see. We will give 25. 25. Now front wheel. Here front wheel. This one. Now I will give this one here. We will check how much. So here, oh, only 10.5. Now we will set here 20 and start it. Now here it is finished. So that's the video for today. Please like the video and share the video, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.